Hi everyone. So I want to give one suggestion to all the freshers or all the people who want to start their career in data as a data analyst or data scientist, or people who want to become business analyst, BI, who will be working on business insights and things like that. So these kind of jobs which require most of the times understanding the data and creating data visuals, graphs and things like that. For all those aspirants, job seekers, you must also consider learning MS Excel. Yes, MS Excel is the base, I would say. If you understand MS Excel, there will be many things that will become easier for you, because in many companies, before going to the data or before going to the databases, usually if the data is very small, those data are stored in MS Excel itself. If you have expertise in MS Excel, your work will become very easily. MS Excel is the first skill that I would recommend you to become expert in. The second skill, I would say, if you want to choose data related IT jobs or business analyst, business insight executive, these kind of job roles, you should also consider understanding or expertising SQL. So you can learn how to write the queries and how to work on that particular database. So understanding SQL will also definitely help you if you want to get into data. What are the different type of job roles you will get understanding the data or into the data industry? Data analyst, data scientist, data engineers, and database administrators, data warehouse executives, and business analyst, business insight executive. There are many these kind of careers which are directly or indirectly related to data. So through this video, I wanted to share all the freshers that yes, before learning any data related course or training program, you can also use YouTube and Google understanding and learning MS Excel. You need not have to go to a trainer or get enrolled into a training program as well. Use W3 schools or use Google, search for different websites, and YouTube videos are also there. So you can learn MS Excel sitting at home without anybody's guidance or without anybody's mentoring also. So that was all about this video. So I hope you have liked this video. If you really do, then please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita Madhu, and namaste.